weapons. So enjoy the tour, guys. So this is the parents' room, and this is the kids' room. The baby's gonna sleep here, and I forgot about the pillow, so just put the pillow. This pillow that I use. I think the purple one is cute because she is a girl, right? Okay, done. I'm done. And the color is just like this. So yeah. I forgot to show all this and this. And if y'all didn't see this, then I put it. Oh, okay. We can't get it back, right? Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna put it there because I don't want it to get hurt. So yes. Oopsie. I forgot to close that. Wait. I can't have this. I forgot about something. Yeah, just see me do this thing. Yes, I forgot about this. Oh my god, why did I even forget? This is cute. This is the biggest, so I think I may want it. This one. It's cute. It's so cute. Vanilla is really cute. And the baby. Okay, and the baby, I think she's gonna sit. I think she's gonna sit. I don't know where she's gonna sit, but still, let's see if there's anything. Oh, I think I forgot about that thing. Yes. I think babies can sit here, right? Can babies sit here? Oh my god. What in the world? That's so cringe. But still, I love this game. So, it can't sit there, so where is she gonna sit? Oh my god. Man, where is she gonna sit? I forgot. I forgot. Babies doesn't eat. Oh my god. I don't even have a brain. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Oh my god, so they only drink. The babies only drink milk. And shit. I didn't want that in there. Just put on here. I think I'm completely done with the house. So goodbye, y'all. Have a great time. Love y'all. Oh. Up. Up. Oh my gosh, get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Okay, so bye guys. Have a great time. And I'm not going to make any of your jokes. I'm just showing. It's just a house tour. And so goodbye guys. Love y'all.